Talent show? Who's in it?
I'd really love it if everybody here could participate.
And who's gonna watch?
The staff will come, friends and family.
You gonna tape this?
No, it's just for us.
Well, if it's just for us, I vote we don't do it.
Think of it as a fun way to work on our therapeutic issues. Olly, maybe you could sing one of your songs.
I don't sing, I rap.
Okay, well you can write something just for us.
I don't write. I just do freestyle style.
I think you're going to want to be prepared. Make something